Step 1. Open the box. Take out all the product accessories. Arrange them neatly. Step 2. Unfasten the wiring harness. According to the video, connect the two ends of the wiring harness to the rooftop lights. Step 3. Clean the installation part thoroughly. Apply the adhesion promoter. Remove the back adhesive of the rooftop light. Confirm the correct installation location. While removing the remaining tape protective film, press and stick it firmly. Step 4. Use the adhesion promoter to wipe the middle position of the two rooftop lights. Remove the back adhesive of the shark fin trim cover. Confirm the correct installation location. While removing the remaining tape protective film, press and stick it firmly. Step 5. Clean the area where the rubber wiring channel is to be installed. Insert the wires into the rubber wiring channel. Remove the backing adhesive of the wiring channel. Confirm the correct installation location. While removing the remaining tape protective film, press and stick it firmly. Step 6. Remove the front cover on the passenger side. Open the hood. Pass the wires to the open front cover. Then reinstall the cover. Step 7. Open the black box. Unscrew the corresponding screw. Insert the red wire harness ring onto the screw. Tighten the screw and close the black cover. Insert the black wire harness ring onto another screw and tighten it. Step 8. Pass the other end of the wiring harness through the side cover on the driver's side and the window. Remove the backing adhesive. Install it on the driver's side. Step 9. Secure the remaining wire harness with zip ties. Attach the wire clips to the corresponding positions. Use clips to fix the wire harness. Close the hood and complete the installation.